Iba talaga ang dating ng Parmesan cheese o Parmigiano Reggiano pag ibinudbud sa pizza or spaghetti, as it is one of the richest, most flavorful, and most aromatic cheeses in the world. This uniquely Italian cheese is the very inspiration of the latest Italian pizzeria of its namesake dito sa Resorts World, Manila. Hi, Kay.
Hello.
Napaka-cozy naman ng lugar. Sobrang ganda ng lugar niya.
Thank you.
Parmigiano.
Parmigiano. The name Parmigiano came from yung ingredient mismo, the Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Yung Parmigiano Reggiano cheese kasi, ginagamit namin siya as one of the main ingredients of most of the dishes that we have in the restaurant.
Parmigiano Pizzeria Ristorante is first and foremost a pizza place. And the best thing about pizza is that it can be prepared and enjoyed in countless different ways.
Ang specialty namin ay isa na dyan ay ang gamberi con rucola or shrimps and arugula. So salad tsaka hipon nasa pizza.
Pero siyempre, yung ano naman yung pagdating doon sa saan kinukuha yung mga pizza nyo and ito ba ay ginagawa nyo?
Oh, homemade lahat yan. Dito lahat in-house at kami ang isa siguro sa mga pinakamabilis magawa ng pizza kasi ang pizza talaga o ang Napolitana pizza kung tawagin nila yung original pizza ay dapat 90 seconds lang niluluto.
Of course, an Italian restaurant will not be complete without salads, pasta, and its bevy of Italian wines.
Paano mo ako maiinganyo? Ako syempre is Pilipina. Paano ako maiinganyo kumain ng pasta?
Pasta, kasi ang ano talaga sa pasta, kung tama yung pagkakaluto natin ng spaghetti, ano na ngayon, 80% na agad, magugustuhan mo agad yung pasta. Medyo ang practice natin dito sa Pilipinas ay medyo na-overcook natin. Yun yung gusto nating flavor. Pero kung matikman natin kung yung tamang pagluto ng spaghetti, mas lalo natin matitikman yung quality ng binili nating pasta.
Di ba may mga, yung spaghetti, may mga bilog-bilog, may mga malalaki?
Oo, marami.
Ano ba, iba yung klase ng spaghetti? Ano yung marirecommend mo sa akin? Like for example, ako, vegetarian na gusto ko ng spaghetti na plain lang.
Plain. Ang pinakamadali, no, na spaghetti na ginagawa yung aglio olio. Yan yung
Ano yun? Olio?
aglio and olio. It's garlic and oil.
Okay.
So kahit yung mga Italiano kakainin nila yan everyday, yun ang staple nila. Pinakasimple. Tapos yung pomodoro o kaya tawag nila tomato sauce. Medyo dito sa Pilipinas nagiging spaghetti yung dating. Pero sa atin talaga dito sa Parmigiano, talagang gumagawa tayo ng freshly made pomodoro or tomato sauce.
How about the meat lovers? Ano naman yung marirecommend mo?
Meat lovers. Pag marami tayo, bolognese. Napakasarap
Ano
ng
yun?
bolognese. It's meat sauce. Meat sauce na galing sa Bologna, kaya tawag siyang bolognese. I think we have one of the best bologneses here.
Each of Parmigiano's Italian dishes are painstakingly prepared with the best of ingredients to give it that unmistakably Italian taste. Yet, it is not the only factor that distinguishes Parmigiano Pizzeria Ristorante from other Italian diners.
Ano yung masasabi mo na difference ng
Different ng
pagkakaiba ng
Parmigiano.
sa ibang Italian restaurant? Ano yung pwede ipagmalaki sa amin dito?
I see.
Bukod sa napakaganda niyong lugar.
Okay. Aside from the beautiful ambience that it will offer you, Parmigiano kasi, yun nga, going back with the name, there's a process of getting the cheese of the Parmigiano. It's not just your regular Parmesan cheese na powdered, diba? It came from a Parmesan wheel that's very meticulously done because there's a person who checks it. It's called a consorzio. When the consortium checks it, parang he has this hammer and then checks the sound if there's a crack in the wheel of the cheese. So, pag ano na yun, pag hindi siya okay, discarded na yung cheese. So, parang here at Parmigiano Restaurant, what we do is, parang kumbaga, from the beginning of the dish, kumbaga, with the choosing of the ingredients, And
May
talagang,
respeto ng ingredients.
syempre we import, there are some imported ingredients talagang from Italy.
Imported.
Oo, and then there are some, syempre we want it freshly made, we choose the best. So that when it comes out, we bring you the best talaga.
From salads to pastas to pizzas, Parmigiano Pizzeria Restaurante rings true to its proud Italian heritage, an authentic Italian dining experience that is uniquely, incomparably its own.
For the delicious Italian dishes here at Parmigiano, we give
Thumbs up!
Una mela, me use his supper.